I started the hike in a shitty mood. Even so, I thought about the walking practice meant to restore our sacred bond with nature. Earthwalks invite us to observe ourselves through the eyes of nature, to walk with attention. It's less about enjoyment, but rather about developing a relationship of reciprocity with the earth. As a yogi, I've long been drawn to practices that care for the planet, studying feng shui, living in harmony with the planet, working in the lead industry with the U.S. Green Building Council. Ironically, today is Earth Day, but my thoughts are not on recycling or energy conservation. Yes, those are important too, but I'm yearning for something deeper. A harmonious existence with the web of life we are a part of, a reconnection, a oneness with nature, and reclaiming our sacred bond to all living beings. I hear the cries of Mother Earth's pain. The injuries and destruction caused by human greed and corruption is devastating not only to humans but also to the planet. I spot trash and I bend down to pick it up. I'm annoyed with Smuckers for making food products with little nutritional value. Spending time in nature improves the mood and reduces stress. Walking uphill gets the heart pumping, strengthens the legs, engages the core, which helps to maintain balance, stability, and coordination. Walking on uneven terrain improves spatial awareness and sharpens focus. To my unbotanist eye, I find beauty in all the plants, both invasive and native. Fennel, with its delicate feathery green fronds, looks so graceful, and its scent of licorice is so sweet and delightful. Only recently, I learned it was invasive, so I rescued some in exchange for the pieces of trash I picked up along the way. It is our sacred responsibility to protect and care for our Mother Earth. By treating her with respect, we heal our broken relationship with nature, and in turn, heal our own broken spirits.